You good? Oh my
Thank you
God.
for coming to our building and to our restaurant.
Of course. What you doing drinking in the daytime?
It's a lifestyle restaurant, okay? So we drink day and night.
Bro, this is the life of the best corporate PR in Jakarta.
Thank you.
Gila, lu tengok mukanya di mana-mana. You know, gua selalu datang ke restoran ini, lu tahu nggak?
Yes. Animale has been in your favorite list.
Yoi, yoi. I think your boss is calling.
Hello, Pak. Yeah, we'll be ready. See you soon. Bye.
He's here, man.
Yep.
Pa, our boss is here.
Hey,
Hi, Pa.
welcome to Andy.
How are you?
Very good.
Oh my. Thank you, Pa Manoj.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes.
Leave you with him.
Okay, thank you, Astrid.
Thank you.
Bye, Astrid.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for wanting to do this with me.
Thank you, boy.
Do you know you are Manoj Punjabi? And then you want to jump
you.
on a vlog bersama anak bawang.
Aduh. Anak bawang yang keren, jadi bukan anak bawang, enggak.
Pak Manoj,
Enggak,
jadi nggak apa-apa nih kita ntar ngeliat-ngeliat behind the life of MD Productions. It's okay?
Please,
Yeah?
would love to.
Let's do it. Oh, so this is your floor. Okay. This is your, oh wow, this is your private sanctuary office, yeah?
Yeah, my place. Before COVID, maybe I would spend 14 hours here,
Yeah.
16 hours here a day.
And you have all your achievements on the wall. Well, penting nggak to get these things as a producer, Pak?
Sangat penting karena ini bikin kita juga mau lebih hebat lagi.
Iya,
Jadi
lebih
itu kan
semangat.
apresiasi.
Yeah.
That's very important.
Wow,
So,
congratulations on
Thank
all
you,
this, all
thank
your
you.
success.
Thank you.
Oh my, the entrance is sick. This is not an office. This is a museum.
But a cozy museum.
It's a cozy
I feel like
museum.
I believe that while working, we have to have the right elements.
Right.
For me, I have to do the best. Everything is about being the best because that makes me feel good. I have lots of guests here, we have lots of meeting. I feel it helps the energy.
Yeah.
Energi itu penting banget
Buat
saya.
kerja.
Buat kerja penting banget
Right.
dan saya harus merasa nyaman dan
Yeah.
cozy.
One day I will have an office like this. Amin, Pak.
Amin.
Yeah. Ini, oh, thank you, Pak. It's like Kingsman. I want to congratulate you first. You are the first entertainment production company that is now IPO.
Oh, thank you.
How do you manage to build such an empire? I mean, it's every guy's dream.
How I started?
Yeah, how you started.
So, when I graduated in 92, saya mau masuk di bidang film. Karena keluarga saya di perfilman, katanya nggak boleh. Nggak boleh karena lagi ancur-ancurnya industri film. Nggak perlu tenaga. They don't want me. So, mau nggak mau masuk di bisnis pulp and paper. Sebelumnya magangnya di sana. 3 bulan, got fired.
You got
I
fired.
got fired.
What type of karyawan were you?
Bad karyawan. Literally got fired dari pulp and paper
Oh, wow.
Indakiat.
Okay.
Yeah, that was my first job experience.
Yeah.
Dari situ saya ke tekstil.
Yeah.
Di tekstil ini belajar ekspor, punya sekitar 15 karyawan,
Okay.
jahit baju. I would buy the material,
Yeah.
desain, jual,
Yeah.
dan buka toko.
Right.
Oke, nggak rugi. Jadi ada business sense-nya. Akhirnya dapat kesempatan
Untuk?
masuk ke TV. So
Ya.
saya dari TV dulu, orang TV saya, sinetron. 2002 I started MD. When I started MD, I said I want to make a difference.
You started from ground zero.
Ground zero dari kantor virtual office sebesar ini 5 orang karyawan. That was my starting 2002. Then we moved to Permata Plaza, sewa 2 bulan, baru di kantor di Tanah Abang 3 yang kita bangun. Jadi I went all out.
Dari 5 karyawan dan sekarang a building.
A building.
That's a dream.
Naik tangga, selangkah demi selangkah.
Right.
I believe that. Step by step.
Oh my God. But Pak Manoj, you don't naik tangga, you naik elevator now.
I have a tagline. Oh, this.
What's your tagline?
Never give up. I want it now. No free lunch. I love these lines. Saya sering ulang.
That's why I never gave up and I got you on my show.
You will get anyone in your show.
No.
Anyone you'll get. I know you.
Thank you, Pak. Okay, so this is what, the editing?
Editing room.
Oh,
This
wow.
one. Ya, ini jadi kita nonton di sini.
Okay.
I'll show you. Come this.
Let's go.
So when I edit with the writers and directors, kita
Yeah.
di sini.
Jadi kalau film habis syuting,
Syuting, produksi di lokasi semua
Ya.
beres. Nanti editornya edit di sini ya sama saya, kita bisa nonton sampai film tertentu bisa sampai 10, 20, 30, 40 kali.
sampai enek-enek deh tuh.
Sampai enak-enak tapi udah sampai perfect. As I said, the best is just good enough.
Boleh saya play, Pak?
Boleh. Play.
Oke.
Siapa kamu?
Ini sangat penting. You know, editing makes or breaks the movie.
That's true.
Ya kan, dari skrip nanti dibantu di syuting, dari syuting dibantu di editing.
Iya benar. Mau syutingnya bagus tapi editingnya kurang,
Hancur.
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 Ya kan? Mau syutingnya jelek tapi editingnya bagus, masih bisa
Masih
selamat.
bisa dibantu.
Masih
Betul.
bisa diselamatkan. Betul kan?
Setuju sekali. You are the expert.
No,
You know.
Pak
I mean,
Manoj,
you know.
I am learning.
Okay.
Aku anak bawang, Pak Manoj.
This is MD Pictures
Wow.
office, the marketing office, PR office, production office, casting office, and
Okay.
digital team.
I like how you have a billiard table here. Do you play?
Nah.
Orang yang begitu biasanya jago. You're good ya.
No, I'm not good. Trust me, I'm not good. You play? You play? Nah. Then you're good.
Whoa! You got your own movie theater. Baller.
Untuk kerjaan supaya lebih efisien aja press conference di sini.
Semua ada di sini.
Semua di sini.
Can I see your latest project?
KKN?
Mau dong?
Ayo.
Boleh nih, sneak peek for me?
Sneak peek for you.
Alright, let's do it.
Okay, done.
Kamu tahu benda apa ini? Keduanya milik sang penari, penguasa desa.
Speaking about movies, though, who is your favorite artist in Indonesia?
Oh, everyone. you are my favorite artist.
Pak Manoj kalau bilang I'm your favorite artist, nanti hargaku aku naikin loh. Wow. Pak, aku juga mau nanya nih Pak ya. You are the father of 3 beautiful kids ya, crazy good kids. And you have this empire. Do you force upon your kids to nanti harus terusin juga?
No.
You built this for them like you said tadi.
I work for them. I didn't build for them. I will never force them. I don't want to force them because if this business kita maksa orang, dia lebih sengsara and won't succeed. Kalau dia mau, dia harus buktikan. They have to have that drive, like what you have the drive to succeed on your show you're doing, like how I'm doing. So they have to have that drive. Harus mau banget
Dari
gitu.
dirinya sendiri.
Dari dirinya sendiri.
I don't mean to invite myself, tapi kalau we can go see your house, that would be so awesome.
Sure, let
No
us
way,
go.
are you okay with that?
Yeah.
Boleh kita?
Sure. Biasanya saya nggak mau ini, but you're my friend now. Come, let's go check it out. I'll invite you. Maybe we have a drink, wine.
Let's have some wine?
Okay, let's have some wine.
Let's go to your house.
Come.
Wow, thanks, Pak.
Yeah,
Let's go. Jakarta vibes, okay. You like Jakarta?
I love Jakarta.
You like the traffic or you like it when it's like this?
The traffic means it's a good sign. Economy is good. When it's quiet, we should be afraid.
Normally when you're in a car, what do? You listen to music or what, Pak?
No, I'm either in my phone. 80% I'm in my phone.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes I do meditate
In the car.
in the car.
Can we try?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm gonna
I
put
don't-
some meditation music nanti on this, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's meditate.
Okay.
Manoj Punjabi style.
Manoj Punjabi
Okay, let's go.
style. Just deep breath or but I don't think we can meditate now.
Wow! Welcome to my house, pa.
Thank you.
Oh, this is nice. Oh wow! This is thick. This is the lobby area.
Lobby area.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
It feels very spacious.
Yeah.
Social distancing.
Social distancing. This is my gym.
Wow, very nice, pa.
My wife loves this place.
This is her sanctuary.
Yes.
What? No way, pa. Is that a sauna and a spa and a salon? But Manoj, there's a salon in here. So cool. You know what? You're smart. You know why?
Why?
So you're handy. Kalau ada COVID,
Udah.
COVID datang,
Di sini
you're safe.
aja, udah, I'm
Gak usah ke
safe.
mall.
Welcome.
Whoa, I love it. I like it, but
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm gonna come here every day now, but this is the bar area.
My favorite place is downstairs, actually.
Can we go see that?
Okay, sure. My wine cave.
Mr. Manoj Punjabi, you have a dungeon in your own home.
This is my. I love this spot. I am here most of the time. This is my favorite spot.
Whoa! This is the wine cellar? What's your
I love
favorite wine?
This one. Very smooth, easy to drink.
I love the vibe here. It makes me feel good. Something about your house gives you this good ass vibe.
Warm, I think.
Yeah?
Yeah, like you can see everything.
Right.
It's connected, I feel.
This is not Jakarta, guys.
No, yeah.
You know where I am?
Bali.
I'm in Malibu.
Oh, Malibu. Even, unfortunately, not the weather, but the feel, yeah.
The vibe is
The
Malibu,
vibe is
right?
Malibu.
Oh man.
Thank you.
Pa Manoj,
Thank you.
to achieve all this, do you fail in life?
Oh, of course we fail. I love this line. Why do we fall? So we can learn to pick ourselves up again. That's Batman. So I love, that's a very inspirational line for me. Whenever we fall or whenever we fail, that's when the next is success. It's just a matter of time.
So it's okay to fail.
It's not okay. You have to fail to succeed.
You have to fail.
To succeed. You have to. Otherwise you can't.
Do you still fail today sometimes?
Of course. Of course, still. But that's part of my success.
I know how much your house is so private, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
You opened the
Yeah.
house for me.
Yeah, first I was sorry, I was a bit
Hesitant.
hesitating.
Yeah, I know.
And tapi ya udah, I mean you're a friend and it's nice to entertain a friend.
Now you're making me feel super special. All the best for you, pa.
Thank you.